Hi, I'm here with another tip for anxiety. So when you begin to notice that your breathing is speeding up, you can take a moment to place your hands on your chest above your breast and just notice where your thumbs end up, somewhere near your collarbone. And as you allow your thumbs to rest there, notice the breathing, the inhalation and the exhalation. And as you exhale, sink the thumbs into the chest, into the body. And as you inhale, let them rise up with the chest. Again, exhaling, thumbs sink into the body. Inhaling, thumbs ride up with the chest. And now just breathe and let the thumbs notice how the breath is now, if anything is starting to settle. And now on the inhalation, act like you want to lift the thumbs, but don't actually lift them. So as you inhale, it's like you want to, you're almost going to, but you don't. And then let them settle on the exhalation. So it's the very beginning of wanting to lift the thumbs on the inhalation and letting them settle on the exhalation. And now just notice your breath without doing anything with your thumbs, but noticing. Taking your hands down and noticing if you feel calmer or if your breath is easier. Thank you so much for joining me.